Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Aohi MagCube 30W. It's PD mini fast charger. Here it is. Right here, we like the USB-C port. It's got a little bit of a chrome around it, and it has a charging light indicator right here. And so when you plug the phone cable into this light will turn a different color depending on the charge status of the charger. Here's some more information right here. You can pause, and the information will also be on the description below the video. But this is the 30W MagCube. They have a 65W and 100W as well, which you can find on the channel. This is simply plug it into your receptacle right there, power port, plug in your USB-C to Lightning fast charging cable right there. They also have a fast charging cable from the same company, and you can charge up your iPhone even faster. This works great for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which charges at almost 30 full watts. So this would be perfect for that phone. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.